Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold next week analysis for your gold trade next week. So last week video I was mentions this type of pattern and it was break to the upside and going to the gold upside. That's last my video I was mentioned that price has gone as my analysis. So if you didn't see that, go to my channel and watch that video. So price reached my target 2040 last weeks. That's my analysis accurate of gold. So let's see what will going on. What is analysis for gold next trade for your gold trade. So yesterday was huge drop gold that was affected to hawkish tone of Fed American Central Bank. So huge 230 300 pips drops gold. So last week was released CPI data. That's the very big economic volatile news. Economic data was released. That's the Fed American Central Bank is previous CPI data. Consumer price index data is 6% and Fed expected to forecast to 5.1 dropped and is dropped to 5%. That's the very positive for US dollar for because of inflation data was dropped. So that's the very positive economic data was last week was released. That's the CPI days are very affected to Fed's next interest rate decision. So that's the economic data last week was released. Now Fed's interest rate is in May. So that's the yesterday was happened. Voila, that's the FOMC member speech that the recent data show Fed hasn't made much progress on inflation, more hikes needed. That's the yesterday gold market huge drop that was affected. This comment, this is very hawkish tone comments that the Fed is needed very hikes, interest rate hikes needed Fed. So that's the very hawkish tone for US dollar. American Central Bank Fed comments yesterday that was released to the US dollar positive for next week and drop to the goal. So Fed needed interest rate hike again in May next year interest rate decision. That's the Forex markets, that the gold markets dropped to the below side yesterday. That's more affected. This comment Fed was released yesterday. So let's move to the next week economic data regarding US dollar. There's next week unemployment claims there. That's the economic data you should forecast if you are gold trading. So unemployment claims is next week. Touch with these unemployment claims with your US dollar and your gold trading. So let's move to the technical picture your gold trade for next week. So I am moved to the 4-hour chart now. So I am seeing this type of pattern was gold occurred in last week. This is the channel gold is going in this last week and also going in next week. This is the pattern I am seeing technical picture. This is the pattern gold is continuing. So I am hoping this the hawkish tone of Fed American Central Bank gold should drop to the below side next week. This is the level, this is the famous level QM Kosimoto sell level is there. I am marking yellow color line. Price should retest this level and drop to the below side. So that's the sell opportunity in next week. I am forecasting gold. So my first target is I am forecasting 1985 is the first target for gold dropped, and next target, this is my first target 1985-89 level gold it will be dropped to the below level, and the second target 1950 is the next target to gold drop. So I am forecasting this is the gold should act like this, drop to the below and retest and drop to the below line. So sell opportunity in next week. Your gold trade mainly depend on sell. You should forecast your money management and your smaller time frame confirmation get the trade. So that's the two levels. I am thinking targeting my sell target is price retrace and below and continue to the drop. That's my target next week goal. That's the main effect hawkish tone of Fed. So Feds expect interest rate hike again. So that's the technical picture. You should forecast your smaller time frame confirmation, get the trade well, and my telegram link is below for accurate goal signals. So thank you very much.